Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Traffic Light Controller with Raspberry Pi Pico for Emergency Vehicles. So here we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 IC and RF receiver unit HT12D decoder and junction 4-lane junction 1 2 3 4 traffic light junction and a 16 cross 2 LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And RF transmitter, ambulance section or VIP vehicle, that is connected to the transmitter with 4 keys. So here we are using RF transmitter with switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, lane 1, lane 2, lane 3, lane 4. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So this entire section is called power supply unit. So here we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico module we are using, and 0 to 21 pins we are using, and RF receiver HT12D decoder IC, and that is connected to the pin number of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is connected. So LCD connections are 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. It is connected with the 16 cross 2 LCD display, and the remaining 12 pins are 10. So remaining all pins are connected with the 10 11 12 13 14, like 12 pins are connected to the LEDs. So now I am giving the power supply. So traffic light control during emergency vehicles and VIP vehicle passing. So lane 1, lane 2, lane 3 and lane 4. So it's continuous rotation. So now I am giving the power supply to the transmitter module, and now it is in normal mode. So suppose I am giving the third button, third lane. Okay, so third lane should be green, remaining should be red. Yeah, third should be green, remaining all should be red. So after vehicle passes, so it should be normal position. So it's continuous rotation of LEDs. So whenever I'm going to press the first lane, first lane it came. Okay, so it should be green, remaining 3 sides should be red. So it's a HT12D decoder IC and HT12E encoder with RF module antenna, and now the vehicle is passed. So normal mode, and it's in a continuous format. Okay, so now I am giving to second lane. Second lane should be green, remaining side should be red. Okay, now I am going for the fourth lane. Fourth should be green, remaining 3 should be red. So it's a Raspberry Pi Pico based, Raspberry Pi Pico based traffic light signaling system and emergency vehicle through RF communication, RF transmitter and RF receiver. It's a simple project and trans receiver module, and we can connect to the IoT and a Blink app also to control the ambulance through node. You can add node MCU to this project, and you can control the Blink app for the lanes. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.